So here we are, boys. Top of a mountain. Let's see.
Well, gravel road.
Yeah, gravel road, even worse. And we are at a top of like a 2.5 mile road, downhill road.
Nothing.
As you can see, in like the middle of nowhere, no anything around us. No. So we're gonna, as fast as we can, gravel hill. It hits a main, yeah, pavement, bikes, and we can give it our best shot. Alrighty.
I'm not.
Alright, boys. Let's get this show.
Have fun.
Getting breeze like a motherfucker. I have no idea. That's the end of the road. A fucking car that whips out. Oh, down there. Here he comes. He's way up there. Woo! That was a fucking ride. Now, just for the fucking driving a bunch of big ass puddles, just for the fan. Just fuck it. Give some time, you know. About life. Get on shit. That was a hell of a ride. Now time to go fucking ride through mud. Woo! Let's go see. Oh shit. All right, let's go. We're doing. And then we hit a throughway. It's either we slow down or we go over a little dip to the throughway. So, you know, we got going down. Off a lot of shoe. What? Did you drop my phone?
No. I dropped my whole face on the ground.
This motherfucker collapsed.
No.
Woo! Let's go, boy. You fucking cracked everything.
I lost mine somewhere, so we gotta go back up there.
You fucking lost your phone?
Yeah. Literally face in my dragging on the floor. Oh. Now let's go back up phone.
Phone's fucked off, everything, you know. It's all good though.
Because it split down.
I want a man. So I guess let's go find this and then we'll go. Alright. You fucking hit my bike! Get on the tap!
Okay.
Backpack and stuck into. Alright. All that.
Way up there.
Way up where?
Way up there. At that big
Hey,
ass,
good news, dudes. We might be able to ride back down
at that big ass fucking corner.
For real?
I fucking the wrong shit.
I was wondering why the hell you took so long. I was like, dude, he was right down.
Yeah.
I'm down here. I sound like a dirt before. I was like, the whole time it sounded like a great big motor was coming. I was like, Jesus
You
Christ.
motherfucker, you were kicking rocks at me the whole time.
I don't think I have fucking rubber left on the bottom of my shoe because I had to slow down because I was going so fucking fast. The bike was just rattling the whole back end.
Yeah, mine was like,
The
I
whole
was like,
fucking back end was flying out from
I was
underneath
trying
me.
to brake, but like, the wheel kept locking up and then.
Well, we might be able to go back on a nice ride, my dudes.
So this time.
Just maybe. It depends on where we find his phone. I mean, the fucking hill starts really soon. So that's a plus on us. Like legit, we drove by like 4 houses. I was looking out at. Oh, good. I don't see his old ass trying to get out here and do this.
But
Right there at that
Face
house.
planted?
He was there at that house looking over at me. And then there was a dude over there looking. I wish they had the cows out, bro. I'd go play with them. Over up in there. But Farmer John never brought them out.
He's trying. The bike's just dragging right behind me.
Did it hurt?
Really?
I bet you it did.
My bike. Hey, I'm coming!
I wish I could transfer my other videos that I took on the other phone, transfer them over here to this one, so I could post them, but I forgot how to transfer the thing. I think I gotta take the SIM card out. But I also don't wanna do that. Not right now. Where the fuck did you face plant at?
Up here.
How far?
Right there around the corner. I slid out the road when you were braking.
Did it hurt?
I was like, no! I started pedaling, but it just set me off into the bush.
Dude, there's some nice houses up here. Ooh, I like that flower. I want to take it. We want to take it and put it up someone's ass. And tell them, smell the flowers! Smell the flowers!
Up here. Look for body print
Look for a body print. Alright. I got this.
on this side.
It looks like to be right there. Did you fall? Shut the fuck up, you little rat. Thing's tinier than dirt. I will punch you like a football. Fucking sit there and bark at me. I'm a big dog.
Here.
Yeah, because here's all the grind.
I slid through all that.
Yeah, here's all the grindation for the. Did you just hear that? Right there. Found it, boys. Found the son of a bitch. It's fucking. You cracked it even more.